A silence where the stars align. A symphony of 528 begins to spin. My soul rhythm beats deep and profound. Shona scales down like celestial sound. Drill and UK drill mix, a rhythmic tide. Orchestra strings weave through the night. Basslines roll in a cosmic ride. Emotional AI guiding the line. Healing harmony in this divine protection bella. Cosmic harmonics, deep beats for a better day. In the embrace of the deep we find our way. Through the waves of sound we feel at bay. The melody rises like the morning sun, guiding us through the darkest of tunes. My soul rhythm, a steady strong hand leading us to the place we need to stand. Shona scales sing a timeless refrain. In every note we feel the sacred pain. Drill and UK drill, a powerful blend. Together we heal and we ascend. From the depths of the ocean to the highest peak, every beat, every scale makes us weep. But in this ballad we find our strength. Healing sounds, the best song in 19 every year's just right.